So we're on the delivery trail again. This time we are in Washington Gardens. Hello, Miss Antoinette. How are you?
I am blessed and highly favored by the Almighty God. And how are you?
I am good. You hear all that blessing? You hear all that blessing?
I am blessed.
Oh, the hair is nice though.
Thank you.
Well, what's going on with me here today? Nice hair. I'm pretty eyes. She took out the glasses for me. Brownie, what you have? Brownie don't have nothing. Check out Brownie. Brownie, what happened? What's going on, Brownie? What, mommy? Brownie not talk to me. So we have your package. Sorry to, to be talking to Brownie over you.
Thank you.
Yes. What you have to say about the service though?
Well, I can tell you the service is great. It is excellent. From the first time I met Mr. Edwards, my daughter sent a package and he was the delivery bearer.
That is that one? That one over there? Oh, okay.
He has
good. All right.
He has been, his customer service is up there.
Hear that? Very good customer service. I'm talking to the camera now. All you out there in TV land, the customer service is very, very good coming from our delivery team.
Yes.
In particular, one called himself Fabian.
Yeah.
I know, but hey.
Yes. So his service is great. It's excellent. From the first time I met him.
He's been a good guy.
Yeah.
All right, good stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
So, you know.
I'm sure he's happy to please you.
He is.
He is.
Yeah.
All right.
He with me to now when I rough him, you know.
Oh, you have to rough him sometimes?
No, if I say, yes, he was coming, I said, no, man, I just want to know that you're a home man.
Yes.
Yeah. But I'll get to you,
so you get rough sometimes then?
No, not really rough, not with no, but,
yeah, okay.
You know, if I say, yes, you're coming, but I soon come on, you don't worry yourself, I'll be here. But
okay, good stuff. But this neighborhood though, been about like forever. My grandmom used to live at the front of the scheme, which she passed away a good while ago.
Where? When you said the front?
Right by Wayne, yeah, right on Weymouth, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Mrs. Lane.
1974?
Well, you might know her, Mrs. Lane. When you're coming in on the left hand side of her first house, on the left hand side on the corner. But hey, that's history for you.
Yes.
That's history for you. Yeah. But the community going on good still?
Yeah, well, yes.
Yeah? Yes, I know. Some of them boys get some trouble.
Yeah.
I sort out them boys need to behave themselves. Can't mash up the good community with them nice people inside the community. But hey, it's a pleasure serving you.
Thank you very much.
I'm looking forward to seeing you again.
Meeting you.
Pleasure's all mine.
Mr. Edwards.
So there you have it on the delivery trail. She's pleased to meet me and I am more so. This is how we do it all day, every day. Peace.